Welcome to another video of Learn with Vishran Basala, and today we are in another blow down system emission source. Let's talk about it. Okay, so the blow down system provides for the safe disposal of hydrocarbons, vapors and liquid discharged from pressure relief device. Uncontrolled blow down emission primarily consists of hydrocarbons but can also include any of the other criteria pollutants. The emission rate in a blow down system is a function of the amount of equipment manifolded into the system, the frequency of equipment discharges, and the blow down system controls. Emissions from the blow down system can be effectively controlled by combustion of the non-condensable in a flare. To obtain complete combustion or smokeless burning as required by most states, steam is injected in the combustion zone of the flare to provide turbulence and air. Steam injection also reduces emission of nitrogen oxide by lowering the flame temperature. So blow down system is doing like that. Let's talk about process heater emission source too, right? So process heater, which is also known as furnace, are used extensively in refineries to supply the heat necessary to raise the temperature of feed material to reaction or distillation level. All the criteria pollutant are emitted from the process heater. The quantity of this emission is a function of the type of fuel burned. Yes, correct. So whatever fuel is burned and like how much is the oxygen level can determine the pollutant level in process heater. That's what I'm like observing. The nature of the contaminants in the fuel and the heat duty of the furnace. Sulfur dioxide can be controlled by the fuel desulfurization or fuel gas treatment. Carbon monoxide and carbon hydrocarbons can be controlled by more combustion efficiency. Currently, 4 general techniques are modification from the control of hydrogen oxide are being investigated: combustion modification, fuel modification, furnace design, and fuel gas treatment. Several of these techniques are being applied to large utility boilers, but their applicability to process heaters has not been established. So in this way, process heater emission source is the emission source is done in a process heater. Now let's learn about compressor engine too. Alright, so many older refineries run high pressure compressors with reciprocating and gas turbine engines fired with natural gas. The major source of emission from compressor engine is combustion products in the exhaust gas. These emissions include carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxide, aldehydes, and ammonia. Sulfur oxide may also be present depending on the sulfur content of the natural gas. All these emissions are significantly higher in exhaust from reciprocating engine than from turbine engine. The major emission control techniques applied to compressor engines is carbonation adjustment, similar to that applied on automobiles. Catalyst system similar to those of automobiles may also be effective in reducing emissions, but their use has not been reported. So in this way we'll do up to here. In next class we'll do sweetening emission, asphalt, bowling, emission source, fugitive emission source, and fog. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye bye, take care, subscribe.